So it's Negrasam FX again. I'm looking at taking a trade. I have my pending orders already for Euro USD. I have another trade again, two of them, Euro USD and Nasdaq. So I placed the pending order. So I just want to share with us why I'm taking the trade. Now, first of all, what I'm looking at is when I look at the market and I want to take any trade, first thing I look at is market structure. But by mere looking at this, you can see that the market is what, in a downtrend. Okay, very clearly in a downtrend. Now, looking at the market structure, you can see the market is making, look at it. Okay, let's say from here, it does this, yeah, internal structure, market goes up, sweeps it, tap into that other block there, drops massively. I think it can create internal structures, and that's liquid, and those internal structures are liquidity. Are you seeing it now? The market does the same thing again, goes up, taps into this other block. Are you seeing it now? Taps into that place, taps into it, and then drops, giving you a break of structure. It didn't drop immediately. It can give internal structure and then drops. Are you seeing it now? So the last lower high that produced this break of structure, the last one is this. Are you seeing it now? So until market takes out this guy here, until market takes out this guy, we are still in a downtrend. We are still looking for sales. As simple as ABC. Now, why am I even taking this trade in the very first place? Most times, all I need to do is, just as I've always said, I'll go to the 1 hour time frame, look for what looks like a breaker block, a break of structure, and an order block in 1 hour time frame that caused that break of structure. Because I believe that when market wants to buy, or if market wants to sell, it will buy first. I explained it in my previous video. I always do. Now, on this channel, why you should always watch my videos, I recommend to anybody that is struggling, is that I will not come and be teaching you trend line, teach you this one, teach you this one. I will teach you what I trade every day, how I trade every day. Are you seeing it now? Just one single way I've traded different ways before, and I've talked to one. So that's what I will teach you. Are you seeing it now? Exactly how I take my trades. The same mechanical system. If you are yet to have a mechanical system, that is a particular set of way you are trading every time, then you will be struggling a little. Are you seeing it? And do you know why? Because the market itself is random. Is probabilistic, a kind of lots of probabilities, is random, a kind of, it's not that it's right, there's an algorithm, but its movement is not something you can say this is how it's going. So for you to, one of the ways for you to calm the market down is for you to have a particular way you do things on it, so that you reduce the number of times you are trading. You have a particular way of approaching it, and then your rate, your probability of getting it right will be high. Are you seeing that? But if you are doing this, doing that for something that is random, it's most likely it will be difficult for you to what? For you to find profitability. Something that is random, you cannot be random and want to catch it. Are you seeing that? If someone is running running anyhow, if you want to catch that person, what do? You stand at a, but you have to be, what do they call it? You have to be stationary at that point. I think that you have to be stationary and then look for period, his frequency, how is this person moving, study it. That particular, you have to be stationary to catch something that is moving. Are you seeing it now? You have to be stationary to really catch something that is moving. You have to be consistent. You have to time it. Are you seeing it now? So that's what I practice on this channel. I don't trade every other thing. So every day I come here, It's the same way I trade, the same thing I'll be showing you, and that's how you gain mastery. Okay, so what am I looking for? On 1 hour time frame, I want to see the same thing every time. Breaker block, break of structure. Are you seeing it now? And another block that caused that break of structure, because I believe that if market wants to sell, they'll first push up first, look for a favorable price and push down. Are you seeing it? And so that's what I always want to see to take my trades. So why am I interested in this trade? It's going down, but I believe it will still go back up. Maybe during New York, when New York session comes. If it doesn't go back up, then I leave it and tomorrow another setup will come. Are you seeing it now? You can see this sharp move, sweep of liquidity, break of structure. I regard this as a kind of order block, a breaker block, swept liquidity, break of structure. This is exactly what I want to see. Are you seeing it now? Once I see this, then I mark this. This particular guy is a very good order block. Another block that is formed after liquidity has been swept, or is formed as liquidity is being swept, as market is sweeping an old high. That other block that is formed that led to a break of structure is a very good order block. That's why when it has a fair value gap. Are you seeing it now? So that sweep is what me I'm regarding as breaker block. Are you seeing it now? Sometimes it may not have wick. Sometimes it could be a full body candle, but it went up and then another sharp move down. Are you seeing it now? If you go to a lower time frame, and this will look like an order block there. Let me explain, let me show you what I mean. You can see it here. This is 15 minutes time frame. You can see that this would have looked like an order block, expecting price to come back and push back up. Are you seeing that? But price violated it. So this is like a breaker block. Are you seeing? So that's what I want to. I want to see a sharp move up and down. So please like and then subscribe. Turn on notifications. So anytime I put trade. Now this trade has not played out. And you won't find people really doing this. Putting trades that they just wait for trade to play out so that they can always appear right. But I'm not scared of appearing wrong. Okay. So uh, so that's what I want to see in the market. I want to see market come, sweep a high, break structure. Are you seeing it now? Leaving a with this other block here, doing it with fair value gap. Are you seeing it now? Leaving this fast move. When market is displacing, there will definitely be a gap. Are you seeing that? So this is what I want to see. Once I see this, I've seen my potential for entry. Are you seeing it now? So that's why I marked it. Maybe I should delete all these things and show you what. Okay, let me delete everything. So I'll show you how I came about the trade. Now, does it mean that this trade cannot be a loss? No, it doesn't mean that. Are you seeing it now? So because I saw this market, and of course you can see where market came to. It came to tap into this um unicorn mode. Is a unicorn, a kind of, this is a breaker block, and fair value gap is usually very strong in holding price. So market tapped it and pushed down, broke structure. So market is not likely going to go back up here because it has broken structure, and it has given us another order block here. Are you getting it now? So these are the small things you just observe. Everything just narratives you build and you take your trades. So this is the other block. I'd mark it. Later I saw this, I'd mark it. I said, this is where I want to trade. Are you seeing it now? Then I'll now go to 15 minutes time frame. Let's assume market has not even gotten here. I don't have the um, paid app for this. I would have replayed, but no problem. Are you seeing it now? So you can see it now. This 15 minutes time frame. This 15 minutes time frame. Let me refine that's that other block we marked. Now let me refine it to this, to the 15 minutes time frame. Ideally this should be what we should be using. Are you seeing it now? This is what we should be using. But me, I will mark it up to this up to this candle. I'm going to show you the candle. I'll mark it up to this candle, up to this last red candle before this move that broke this internal, this low. I'll mark it up to, I'll include that candle there. Are you seeing it now? I will include it there. Why will I include it? You can see this particular one is what I'm supposed to mark as my order block, but when the movement, there was no fair value gap there, so it seems the strong move started here. But notwithstanding, I will mark everything. So where if I'm going to place my entry to be here, so that's why I rarely have missed entries. Are you seeing it now? And then my stop will be here. Are you seeing it now? Because if I go and mark this one, if I go and mark only this as my order block, if I mark only this as my order, market may just come here and turn back. Market may just come here, use this breaker block plus fair value gap to turn back, which I don't want. Okay, it has even used it here, but you can see that it seems that's not where. Can see the movement is weak. I believe the time that it happened too is contributing. So I'll just mark everything. Are you seeing it now? In fact, when I'm going to place my entry, to just be above this guy here. So let's mark everything. Are you seeing it now? So that's where I'll be placing my entry. Now, why will I think this is going to hold? So market moved down, right? Continued going down, rallied here, did as if it was coming back, but I won't regard this as an inducement. I won't regard this movement, this fake. Normally what do I call inducement? I want to see market coming back to the entry where I want to enter, my point of interest. When it gets close to it, then it does as if it's shifting market structure. So when I see this, I say, very good. Then that means this particular place is going to hold. Are you seeing it now? And now, for me to regard this inducement, it has to be close to it. It has to be at least 50%. Let me show you. It has to be, I'm using my Gann tool or Fibonacci tool. It has to be, what's wrong? Why are you not? I'm trying to select my Fib tool. I don't know why it's not working. I don't know why it is. Okay, it is working. It should be working now. Why is the Fib tool not working? Meanwhile, this one is working. This one is working. Sorry, I'm just running something. I don't know why my Fib tool is not working. What's wrong with you? Please don't waste my time. Okay, let me just use this one. Okay, I'm not used to using this. Okay, but let's, notwithstanding, so I want to see market when retracing. The inducement should be at least 50%. You should get to at least 50% of retracement, and then give you something. Now shift the market and now say, okay, that's inducement. Preferably above this 50%, around here. Are you seeing it now? Preferably, that's where we prefer it to be. That's where I prefer it to be. I don't know why this Gann tool is not working now. Okay, so you can see that where this one is not up to 50%. So let me delete that one. So I would want, if I've chosen this place as where I want to enter from, I would want, when market has gone away, market has done as if it wants to go away. Are you seeing it now? When it starts coming towards it, retracing, going back up, before it gets to it, I want to see a shift in market structure, fake shift in market structure. I call it inducement, to induce early sellers. And then when it has done that, then I will now believe that that particular place is going to hold. The market should tap it and then drop. That's my entry. Are you seeing it now? So why I didn't take this entry, I'm sure I didn't even see the market by then. why I didn't regard that I know that market will still come back here is because no any inducement. So I'm regarding this as inducement. And you can see that it has not really gotten to the other, just a few pips. Are you seeing it now? So I'm expecting market to come back, sweep this, and then drop. I'm expecting market to go back, sweep that, and drop. So when market got there, now this is now when the market is going back. I regard as market is going back. So market did this. That's inducement. Did this. Did this. Did this. Are you seeing it now? And broke structure. So I want to see an inducement. I want to see that market got close to my point of entry and did wayo and started coming back. Are you seeing it now? Created a structure or broke any structure while it was going up. Since there's no structure here, it created a structure here, engineered a structure and broke it. Once I see that this market did this, I can now go and place my pending order here that okay, when market comes to that my point of entry, that is going to drop. Are you getting it now? So sometimes market will do this and then still come back, give you another inducement. This is another inducement. This is another inducement. Since this one is not very satisfactory, look at another inducement. So market while going back again, look at what it did. Some people would have been taking this one another block. This is another block. Let's trade it, and then they would have entered here. Another confluence I had is that this is high of Asian session, and I want market to sweep it. Are you seeing it? And so all these things are confluences. Are you seeing it? And so you can see market was going gently back to the point of interest, did not get there. Why didn't you go there or at least sweep liquidity, collect money here and drop? But no, he wants to engineer more liquidity, more people to put their money so that you can have something to move. Fake break of structure. Are you seeing it now to the downside? This is another inducement. Are you seeing that inducement break of structure? So I'm still expecting market to come back here, just like magic. You see it play out and then drop down. Are you seeing it now? Simple. So my entry, you can see how easy it is. My entry is here. My stop loss is above here. If it goes there, that means the whatever I've explained, whatever it is not valid. Then I'll target this other place. I'm targeting. Let me go to 1 hour time frame for my target. I'm targeting internal liquidity. I'm not, market is supposed to come and continue the trend here, break this one, which I'm almost sure it will, but I'm targeting this, the internal one. At least it should get, even if it wants to reverse, it should come and sweep this internal one and start going back up. So I'm targeting this internal liquidity. Are you seeing how to frame everything? So what I'm doing is simple. On 1 hour time frame, I want to see market go up, sweep a high, drop down. Are you seeing now break structure, even go and mark the other block, go to 15 minutes time frame, look for the other block on 15 minutes time frame. While market is returning to that 15 minutes time frame other block, what do I want to see? I want to see an inducement. When market gets close to it, do as if it is coming back down, so that induce early sellers in a sell trade. Are you seeing it now? When it has induced early sellers, I want to see now go back up, tap it and drop. I don't give you everything. This is what you pay $100, $200 for. I'm giving you for free. Please like and subscribe. Oh, so that's the trade. Another thing that strengthened my heart towards taking the trade is I'm seeing break of structure and I'm seeing liquidity. Can see it. This last movement, can see there's a valid on this 1 hour time frame now. There's a valid break of structure with closure. Look at it here. So there's a value break of closure. So market will just go inside, tap here, and it wants to continue the trend. Are you seeing it now? And I'm almost sure of this also because you see Euro USD is a volatile trade and they are very smart. All these ones, I'm sure if it was other pairs, I would have said, okay, maybe I've missed this trade, but Euro USD I know London's New York session, it will come tap here and drop down. Are you seeing it now? So let's see how this plays out. Please like, subscribe, turn on your notification. Okay, thank you. Yes, I also have another trade on. I have another trade on Nasdaq. I almost forgot. Nasdaq. Nasdaq. The same thing I always preach. This is a buy scenario. Can see market wants to buy, to sell first. Came down, pushed down, broke structure. Are you seeing it now? Leaving a fair value gap. I missed the entry for this one, but I am using confirmation entry for it. Are you seeing it now? Broke structure. It even gave, then go to lower time frame, 15 minutes. I'm just rushing through this. 15 minutes time frame. You can see it now. 15 minutes time frame. While market was coming back down to the other block, are you seeing it now? Quite very close to it, it gave inducement. It went back and broke structure. So I just need that if market comes back to that other block, it should push back up to the upside. Now I didn't see this when it happened. You can see it happened during the ACN session. I didn't see this. So I'm entering with what? Confirmation entry. How do I do my confirmation entry? I want, if I'm not sure that market, if I did if market doesn't give me inducement, I use confirmation entry. This one it gave me inducement, but I'm still using confirmation entry. So as market got to my point of entry, I want to see it shift market structure. I want to see you can see it swept what looks like a low here. It swept it. I want to see a market structure shift. Are you seeing it now? Then this place is now internal liquidity. I won't trade confirmation entry without internal liquidity. So this is internal liquidity. I think I was around here. I thought that the market would come down and tap below it, sweep that liquidity and go up. But it has decided to create another internal liquidity for people that will want to enter here. But me, I won't enter there. This is Nasdaq. Open of New York session. I'm going to wait. I've placed my pending order. So I want market to come tap into this other block here. Are you seeing it now? Tap into this place. There's a, what do you call it? Sweep this liquidity. The two of them. There's a fair value gap there, and there's this one is another block. I want it to tap here and then push up. Are you seeing it now? And push up. That's exactly what I'm waiting for the market to do. That's why I'm taking this trend. Also, one of the reasons why that zone is important to me is if you go to the 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame, you can see my stop is below the 1 hour time frame protected low. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, if you I don't go this far, I just looked, you can see there's another block here, and it has swept liquidity. So that's why I'm strong. I'm believing that market will come. Market has tapped that is pushing back up. It's pushing back up. Okay. So let's just see how it plays out. Thank you.